Hello, our objective is to draw hysteresis curve of a specimen in the form of transformer on CRO and to determine hysteresis loss.
For apparatus, we have here cathode oscilloscope, and this is a combined material which we have AC voltmeter and potentiometer, rheostat, condenser, and AC voltmeter. And this is the AC milliammeter which we are using, and a step down transformer for pulling the voltage down.
Formula used for hysteresis loss is current into volt into area of BH curve upon F into pi into area of rectangle joule per cycle, where F equal to 50 Hz.
On going forward, we have 3 iron rods. Here it is trace paper. Now we on the transformer we get a simple line. On inserting these 3 rods inside the solenoid, we get the BH curve. We have to calculate the area of BH curve for getting the hysteresis loss by the formula IV into area of BH curve by F pi into area of one rectangle here. Now at 6 volt we have this BH curve. We sharp the edges of BH curve to get the accurate measurements. By using trace paper, we trace the curved lines on trace paper for the experiment. To calculate roughly, we have to calculate the approximation boxes to get the area of each box. We have this half and this half which is 1, this half and this half which is half. That's it. So to calculate the hysteresis loss at voltage equals to 6 volt, we get the output of current 800 milliampere. On calculating, we get the area of BH curve equals to 5 into 10 the power 4 millimeter square. Area of one rectangle from the oscilloscope meter, we get 144 into 10 the power 4 millimeter square. On putting those values in the formula, we get the hysteresis loss 1.06 joule per cycle. Similarly, calculating for 9 volt and 12 volt, we get the hysteresis loss equals to 2.38 joule per cycle, and hysteresis loss for 12 volt is 3.72 joule per cycle. The mean value of hysteresis loss is equals to 2.38 joule per cycle. On going through this calculation, we always trace the graph on trace paper by using the pencil. This is for 6 volt, this is for 9 volt, and this is for 12 volt.